The Uganda police has condemned a Jesa advert which has been put on the TV that involves a person acting as a police. In the advert, you see somebody stopping, helping a police, some passengers who are moving along the way with their car, stopping over and to help a police with that Jesa Jazz. Just the product of Jesa Farm, and you can have your eye on the video.
Police etukute.
How is the road?
Afande, the road is okay.
Hey, you even have this, huh? Can I have some juice?
Don't say juice. Just say juice.
Afande, have this.
Jesa Juice is a refreshing blend of juice and lactose-free dairy that will take your taste buds on a flavorful adventure like no other.
Yeah, you can go.
Now available in pineapple, coconut, cocktail, and mango. Jesa, start your adventure.
Well, the Uganda police has issued a statement regarding that issue of the advert. The statement says, at Freddy Nanga, the police leadership has strongly condemned the use of traffic images as content in a controversial commercial advert of its juice, popularly known as Jesa Jazz. The TV ad deceptively suggests that a traffic officer during a normal traffic enforcement routine stopped a driver for inspection, but is immediately compromised with a pack of Jesa Jazz by the panicky driver and children, after which he left them to proceed without inspection. In his words, "You can go," after taking Jesa Jazz. They had made reference to the traffic police as being corrupt and easily bribed by Jesa Jazz. The driver is seen allegedly bribing a traffic officer with a packet of Jesa Jazz in front of children and lets them off the hook. It therefore draws a link between the traffic officer, the driver, and children. The driver and children are depicted as traffic violators. Now, many people have reacted to this on social media, saying that the Uganda police are not right, and they're saying it is the Jesa Jazz who are right. They're saying it is not a bribe. But I have to tell you that bribe, when a police officer or any other government official is doing their work, the word thank you alone is a bribe. You should not appreciate somebody because that is the responsibility. So it is clearly a bribe. What the Uganda police have said, they are 100% correct about it. It is not something which is lawful for that advert to play. Thank you very much, and I will get to meet you in another video if you're subscribed. Bye.